before you all today to welcome you to the JIBA Tech Day 2023-2024. It is an honor to have such a dedicated gathering of tech enthusiastic and IT profession in one place. Technology has revolutionized the way we live, work and communication. It has become an integral part of our daily life, shaping the world in the way we fortunately to witness a big part of this rapidly revolutionary era. Today, Tech Day serves as a platform to celebrate explore the wonder of technology. It is an opportunity to us to delve into the latest trend, innovation, and breakthrough that we are shaping our future. This event brings together expert industry leaders and tech enthusiasts to exchange ideas, share knowledge, and collaboratively work towards building a better tomorrow. Throughout the evening, we are having a captivity of presenting an interactive session that will showcase the cutting-edge advertisement across various fields. From virtual reality to cyber security, we have diverse range of topics that caters all our interests. I encourage you all to make the most of this event by actively participating in this discussion, networking with like-minded individuals and engaging with the latest technology, showcasing its our Tech Day. This is an opportunity to all of us.
Epson ink tank printers, the lowest cost of printing, is launching new products in Goa market for mono and all-in-one color printers and photo printers. They are the pioneer in the lowest cost of printing. You can see the products practically here, and Mr. Anand will brief you on Epson projectors also.
In projector market, we are the leading brand in the world. From last 12 years, we are number one in projector market. Yes, thank you.
Hello, good evening all. I am Penshe from Net Protector Antivirus Company, Pune. We are here to take part in this event to present our products. We are into antivirus products, and we are manufacturing antivirus products for all these devices like laptops, mobile, etc. So here our presents are kept here, and in a short while we'll give you a presentation of all the products. Basically, NP is known for antivirus security products, and all software is there, software and keys basis. Matlab, they come in physical packs also and keys also. Here is my colleague, Mr. Rajesh. He will also tell you something more.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, my name is Rajesh. I'm the field agent for the 9PAB of Goa. So basically, all I can say is that before, don't go according to what we say. You try our products yourself and just tell us feedbacks and all. But I can vouch for you that our product is actually at top notch. It can be comparable to Quick Hill and any other antiviruses, because as it's very much it's pretty much it's almost pretty much more efficient, and as well as it's loaded with all kind of features which even top antiviruses give, Quick Hill and as well as other K7, Casper keys, those all features, including the NP has multiple, that is total security, and there is Z security.
Yes, means end user के लिए मतलब individual end user और corporate companies के लिए. और एक thing I would like to add कि whatever the belief is that कि nowadays software comes with built-in antivirus software. But I say that is not enough. Means built-in antivirus is quite different from a dedicated software antivirus like Net Protector. So only built-in software is not enough. They are not taking care.
Epson is the first company who has launched the heat-free technology, where we are considering as a global market, the global warming which is there in the world. So heat-free gives us the better options compared to the other things. And all the products are heat-free.
So this time we have 4 companies which are doing the presentation. One is Epson, which is into major printer segment, and second one is vCloud, which is providing the cloud solutions like N computing. So, and the third one is Net Protector, which is a very good antivirus company which is having many government segments catering. So, and the fourth one we have is Toshiba, which is a leading company in the hard disk technology for the cloud storage, yeah, surveillance or data storage things.
So apart from that, Logitech.
We have the range of Toshiba hard disk drives over here. Okay. Start from again. We have the range of Toshiba hard disk drives over here. We have the internal hard drives, which we have desktops for laptops, surveillance, NAS, and enterprise. And external hard drives we have in for USB in 1, 2, and 4 capacity. Our distributors are Rashi, and we are promoting all of them over here.
Yeah, I'm Ishwar Naik, President of JIBA, Goa IT Business Association, Goa. Every year we conduct this type of event which is called as a Tech Day. So as a to get the new opportunities for our members. So one way government is providing all types of opportunities by Mudra loan or bank loans and many things. The thing is we as an association we want to get them the new opportunities. So wherein they can earn their bread and without any challenges. So things are changing every day. So today technology is transforming anything. So because of that we need to get ourselves updated time to time. So due to which we every time for the event at least get 4 companies which are new in the market or new technology in the market. So which our members attend and get the training of the same to execute their new business programs. So that's what we normally do it in the Tech Day. Thank you.
Manufacturing plant on all over world, and it is listed in first section of Tokyo Exchange. So what is the Epson strategy? We work in Epson 4 areas of innovations: inkjet innovations, which is basically printers, dot-matrix printers, inkjet printers; visual innovations, which is your projectors. Then apart from this, wearable devices, which is yet to come in India, and robotics, which are already there. We are in the robotic arms, where basically it is automation.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.